as women, we have task. I get you are doing this event, Ma'am Phyllis, during the month of August. Historically, all of us, we know what happened during this month, during the apartheid era, when women stood up and say enough is enough. They went to Union Building. It was tough. It's one of the women, our role models, that we learn politics from them. They said enough is enough. Because of apartheid, we were under oppression. You could not visit your husband. You were given a limited time to say, if you visit your husband, only a certain period, and then you go back home. You will recall that during apartheid era, we were divided according to our race. Transkei, Kai, you still remember those names. But because of our comrades, our late leaders, who stood firm and say, we are part of South Africa. We are South Africans. Let's fight for our rights. Let's make sure that we liberate our country. And today we are enjoying the fruits of our comrade. This year was declared as a centenary year for Utata Nelson Mandela, our first black president. We all know Utata. Then the other thing, also in the struggle, it's not only Otata, men who contributed in the struggle, but also as women, we contributed in the struggle. Hence, we've got Omama that we are still recognizing them. CSCT, if it was not Omamu Peza, Gabe Asi Koglenda Wesikuyo, Omamu Winnie, Akerela Mitsaker. We have just recently buried her, Siakubula Mosbesile, all of us. And I'm so impressed, Manbona, the young women putting dues, because it's one of the things that we'll respect her, we'll remember her, because she was always beautiful. She was fighting for us as black. Atabatwana bam, who are you? Don't touch me. Baza kumbulo Mamu Phyllis, no Mamu Ntsane, because they were part of Isoweto by then. It was during their era. But also not forgetting Uguti, it's also a centenary year of Umama Usisulu. Ukwenza sure Uguti, naye if she was still alive, ngabe ends 100 years. But again, we continue to remember and also to celebrate her life of what he did for us as a nation. So today I'm very happy, Mamu Phyllis, because you decided that I'm going to do this event during the month of August. As you know that we salute all the women in South Africa, but not in South Africa, but the whole world. It's a month for us as women. You know, when Mamu Phyllis called my office saying that, Mamukela, we've got this opportunity that we must give young ladies skills, young women skills. Yo, I said, you know, it's a miracle. Unkulunkulu khulumile, because singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. I'm happy because Philani, it's under the foundation of God. Whatever is happening there, it's because God has anointed Philani. Uguti Philani will be there to lift up young women, to lift up vulnerable people in our society. And also, when I have crisis, I know where to cry. I've got a shoulder that I know if I press that button, they will respond positive. And I believe after you got your certificate, you are going to shine in your municipalities. And I'm going to request from my MMC Wako District, Mama, this is the beginning of our journey. Let's make sure that we continue to build our society, the young women of Rand West, the young women of Mirafong, the young women of Mogale City. You are so beautiful. Let's make sure that as women of 2018, after this event, let's aim. I can really deal. So it must not end here, but it must continue what we have learned and try also to educate other young women. Because currently, as women, we are faced with many challenges. Ready victims, it's at the rape again. It is something I was reading Herald. Ditunguti is a pindesi Mamophilis because in Western area I was told the high rate of rape, it's very high. Inulukhile fela itse, and you will remember last year also nerinali a very serious incident. That massacre, we must not forget. Women were killed, women were raped there, and the sad part, there was also a pregnant woman. Oile ba mo rape, mo pele ga oswa gage, aba fetsa ba bolaya oswa gage. That woman was pregnant twins, but ka moha wa Modimo, because moha wa Modimo la itsipine earlier o moha wa Modimo ke khwetsa e kakang o sampane a phela, but unfortunately monna gagwe la tlhokofala. So as women rona re jere akere ko magaeng, you are still young. I just want to encourage young women, because ke ba bona me feel sorry, they are still young. But also what we are experiencing as health, you are no longer safe. So let's make sure as young women, as you go out, there are a lot of challenges. Let's make sure we don't take those opportunities. Now you must say no, because you know who you are and what you are standing for. Let's make sure that we also stand as women of 1956. Abayeba Martina, it's no longer an issue of apartheid, but it's an issue of making sure that we do things correctly. Ronakana kwa rona Mamophilis, if I knew, waiting in the kitchen, cancel and did him na, Gavendin and because in life, it's a problem. You are still a child, you have a child, although in Granty Corner, it's not enough. That 400 government alfanyona, it's not enough to sustain the whole month, but also it's over matata and. But because during our era, in the issue of Mwana utaka ono praying, Mwana uta in but what I like now, government waruna is so transparent. When you sleep with a boy, Mwana watlach, and akusa tlacha Mwana fela kana kotaluna. There are a lot of diseases setting. So kikupali chokomeleng, as women, we are still crying. But today we are no longer crying for poverty, for oppression, but we are crying for poverty, for unemployment. Government government, we try and to meet the needs of our community. I know we have a manifesto, we are trying to implement it, but let's make sure bombe akire kadi one remachile rile bombe bate mane baile machi kadi one. It's because what is happening outside, it's very bad. We are no longer safe as women. But if we can stand together and fight this thing, I think we'll conquer all.